Hey, greetings from Texas. It's Wednesday, it's breakfast time, and also Cast Iron Wednesday. So we're gonna make French toast because April's theme is maple syrup. So we have some organic maple syrup. We got this at CVS. They do have good organic, this particular brand, Abound. They put out some pretty good tasting stuff. Okay, so our ingredients, first off, we're going to have some homemade bacon. We're going to bake that in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. We'll get that going. So we have some bread, we have egg, we have evaporated milk. I like to use this for cooking. It's more concentrated. We have brown sugar, nutmeg, vanilla, and ground cinnamon. To get our bacon going, all right, we're going to start off with half a cup of milk. Got our egg, some brown sugar, have our cinnamon. We'll get this all mixed up. We're going to add another egg. We had to go 25 minutes with this bacon because it's kind of thick, and we like ours medium, especially with this homemade bacon. Okay, now it's time to make the French toast. Now this particular sandwich bread is really delicate, so I took it out. It's been sitting out. Kind of getting dried up. All right, it's time to flip our toast. We're a little warm on the pan. You want to be medium-low heat. Okay, our second toast is done. We're just going to stick this in the oven. The oven is off, and we're going to let it sit for a couple of minutes, and that'll help it firm up even more. Okay, time for the star of the show. Have a piece of this bacon. That's good. Okay, folks, that's our French toast for Cast Iron Wednesday for the month of April. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching.